gonna be a fun day
Here in New York, New York. Hey guys, this is $50. So let's see how far this $50 can go in the most expensive city in the world. So this is the ultimate challenge. Let's see if it's possible. I'm taking a solo trip here in the city. It's been a while. I haven't been here. I think 3 months ago, the last time I came. So today I'm having an ultimate challenge plus a solo trip. So let me tell you the game plan. I have to complete 4 things at the end of the day. Number 1, use a mode of transportation. Second, visit 2 places. And third, eat some dessert. And 4, get a lunch. So let me know if my $50 would be under or over of my game plan for today. You're gonna know it at the end. So let's do the challenge.
New York is one of the world's most visited tourist destinations, attracting over 60 million visitors annually. Tourists flock to its iconic landmarks such as Times Square, Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building, and a lot of iconic places to visit, making it a vibrant and bustling city known for its rich culture, diverse cuisine, and endless entertainment options. Whether exploring world-class museums, Broadway shows, or strolling around its distinctive neighborhoods, New York offers something for everyone.
So I'm here in Central Park. There's a lot of people because it's summer and you can see people, families are hanging around. There's so much fun activities to do here in Central Park, but I guess if I go something for a ride, I'm gonna be over my budget. So let's see.
Frankly, I can't do the horse ride because it costs $63 for 30 minutes ride. So it's beyond my budget. So let me just walk around.
Okay. Yes. How much is that?
$5.
$5. Oh, okay. And the watermelon,
Igual, $5.
all $5.
Mango, $5.
Mango. Okay. Thank you. Gracias.
Alright, we're at the New York Library. This place is spectacular, and what it holds is the history, the exhibitions, and art when you get a tour inside. It is an iconic building on the outside and has treasures to explore. There's excellent free tours from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. And beyond that, they release tickets weekly on Sundays. Please check the website for more details. A quick stop at Bryant Park. It is a small but vibrant park in Midtown Manhattan, known for its lush lawns, greeneries, and they also have free public events, especially on weekends. So you can see people doing yoga, adding to the park's lively and diverse atmosphere. It is a lively mix of locals and tourists enjoying the green space amidst the city hustle. I can't go to the city without passing by St. Patrick's Cathedral. It is located on Fifth Avenue in Manhattan and one of the New York City's most religious landmarks, and it attracts over 5 million visitors annually. Tourists are drawn to its stunning neo-Gothic architecture, impressive spires, and elegant marble interior, making it a must-see destination in the city. I've been to Rockefeller Center multiple times and have not seen a horse parade like this. This is not an event or a regular feature for this location. Rockefeller is more famous for its architecture, art, and seasonal attractions like the Christmas tree lighting. But it's worth visiting when you go to the city. We are in the most popular place in New York, Times Square, often referred to as the crossroads of the world, and it's one of the New York most iconic and bustling areas. Known for its bright neon lights, massive digital boards, and constant activity, and it attracts millions of tourists every year.
You can't visit New York without dropping by the famous Times Square. If you're on a budget, warning you, don't take a photo with the characters because they charge you $10 to $20 per picture. After all the walking, guess where I'm going to have my late lunch? So ended up in the famous Jollibee. So now I got my lunch, my Jolly Spaghetti, and I got Jolly Spaghetti and Chicken Joy, and my pineapple juice drink. This all for $9.99. This is the most refreshing pineapple juice. I'm heading home before traffic heightens up. I'm here in Port Authority.
Let me ask you, is it really possible to go on $50 budget in the city? Visited so many free tourist attractions, went to Central Park, New York Library, Bryant Park, Times Square, and I went to the most iconic Basilica, Rockefeller Center. So yes, it is possible to experience New York on a $50 budget, although it requires careful planning. There's a lot of budget-friendly activities. So let me know if you want more of this for fun vlogs.
Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like vlogs like this, budget travel in the New York or New Jersey, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.